Hello, everyone. Today, on the Global Glimpse, we are embarking on an unforgettable journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. The Earth's emerald crown, the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforests in the world. Buckle up because we are about to uncover the secrets lurking beneath its dense canopy. Let's start with some staggering stats. The Amazon is the world's biggest rainforest, sprawling across a colossal 5.5 million square kilometers. That's so massive, you could fit two entire Indias inside it, with space to spare. Imagine a rainforest so thick that sunlight struggles to reach the ground. That's the Amazon. This rainforest boasts over 390 billion trees, creating a dense emerald canopy that filters most of the sun's rays. This lush, shadowy environment is a haven for countless unique species that have adapted to thrive in this dim world. Did you know the Amazon spans a jaw dropping 8 countries, with over half of its majesty residing in Brazil? But its sheer size is the only beginning. This awe inspiring rainforest is a haven for over 10% of the world's known species. Every rustle of leaves, every fallen log harbors a unique creature you won't find anywhere else. It's a biodiversity bonanza. Now, let's delve into the captivating mysteries of the Amazon. The Amazon River itself, a lifeblood of the rainforest, holds its own puzzling secret. Imagine a river so wide you can't see the other side from the bank. But here's the twist. The Amazon floods the forest every year, despite minimal rainfall. The culprit? Snow melt cascading down from the distant Andes Mountains. This annual deluge creates a hidden aquatic world right amongst the towering trees. Speaking of strange waters, have you heard about the legendary Boiling River? Deep within the rainforest lies a hidden wonder, a river that heats up to a scorching 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Locals have known about this natural marvel for centuries. Scientists believe geothermal activity is to blame, but the exact reason for this fiery phenomena remains a mystery. The Amazon is also home to isolated tribes, some who have never encountered the outside world. Imagine living completely disconnected from modern society, following the rhythm of nature. What ancient wisdom and survival secrets might these hidden communities hold? But the Amazon isn't just about plants. It's also home to an incredible array of wildlife, including the legendary green anaconda. This behemoth is the world's largest snake, capable of crushing its prey with its incredible constricting power. Keep your eyes peeled, or maybe not, for these emerald giants as we delve deeper. The Amazon is the realm of the jaguar, the largest big cat in the Americas. Known for its strength and stealth, this majestic predator is rarely seen by human eyes. Jaguars are apex predators, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the rainforest ecosystem. In the mystical waters of the Amazon, you will find the enchanting pink river dolphin. These intelligent and curious creatures are shrouded in local legend, believed to have magical powers. Their unique pink hue and friendly nature make them a symbol of the Amazon's mysterious allure. Let's not forget the incredible traditional knowledge of the Amazon's indigenous people. Their understanding of the forest's medicinal plants, sustainable hunting practices, and deep spiritual connection to the land is invaluable. This wisdom, passed down through generations, holds keys to preserving the rainforest for future generations. As we conclude our exploration, remember the Amazon is far more than just a green splotch on a map. It's a vital lung for our planet, generating a staggering 20% of the world's oxygen. It's a place of captivating beauty, unsolved mystery, and paramount importance. So, tell me, explorers, are you as captivated by the Amazon rainforest as I am? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more global adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay on top of our discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring.